Please get the number of your question. Open it. So the Madlang people, you picked question number 8. I'm going to read the question twice in English and in Filipino, and then you can answer it in the way you want to answer it in Tagalog or Filipino as well. All right. So this is question number 8. What are the qualities that Binibining San Jose Norte must have and why? Sa Filipino or in Tagalog. Ano ang pag-uugali o personalidad na dapat taglayin ng Binibining San Jose Norte at bakit? I now give you the floor.
Thank you sa magandang pagkatanong.
Come on.
Naniniwala po ako na kailangan ng isang binibini na matapang, mabait, at matulungin sa kapwa.